PLI expands to 16 sector, budget allocation of the 16,000 crore. So PLI are the production linked incentives. These play a major role for the economic development and attracts the global players in the economy. Like India is able to want to establish itself as a manufacturing hub for the electronics items and want to beat the China. And to do that, it wants to attract more and more global manufacturers to set up their plants in the India. By doing this, this will create the job opportunities in the India as well and help India to establish it as a global player when it comes to the electronic items as well. Currently, the world is seeing as a China as a prominent player to establish it, but there is a transition. Now the economies have shifting their plants from the China to the India because India is the very good market when it comes to political stability and the availability of the information, while the China is criticized for its democratic ruler and inclusiveness of the economy. Like in China, there is no use of the global application like Facebook, Twitter, etc. And also there is no publication of the much public data. But when it comes to India, the global players sees the India as a prominent country for making their investment. So now see what PLIs are proposed in this budget. The budget expand the production limits to cover the toys, footwear, enhancing the sectoral coverage to the 16 while increasing the allocation for the key sectors. So PLI is now expanded to the toys and the footwear. Again, when it comes to toys, the China is the largest producer of the toys, but I don't know about the footwear. Enhancing the sectoral coverage of the 16 while increasing the allocation to the some. So now PLI is covering the 16 sectors. Two of them might be new introduction to the PLI scheme, and allocation of the amount is increased to them. The total allocation surged by 89% to 16,000 crore in FY25 from 8,500 in 5 months. Further, 38% of the total allocation in this year's budget is aimed to incentivize the large-scale electronic manufacturing as the government set up the effort for attracting the investment. And as I told that India wants to establish it as a global producer of the electronic manufacturing like cell phones, semiconductor and other home appliances. For this, the PLI scheme around 40% of the PLI budget is allocated to the electronic manufacturing only. The Apple has established the world's largest phone manufacturing plant in India, which is producing 10% of the global demand of the cell phones for the Apple. While India consumes only 2%, India is only 2% demand for the Apple, but producing over 10% of the global. PLI allocation for the large-scale electronic manufacturing is 36. The outlay of the auto and auto component for more than the 7-fold rise, 3,500 from the. So auto and the auto company has also seen 7 times increase in the PLI, and they are estimated last year it was only 500, now 3,500. PLI allocation for the large scale electronic manufacturing is 36%, while other outlay for the drone manufacturing is 17% or 50 cents. Budget allocation for the other schemes such as IT, hardware, textile, ACC, battery has been also increased. The government has announced PLI schemes in the skins and industry exception, essentially focusing on the industry claim under these schemes, said Saurav Agrawal. These benefits will acquire only after 2 to 3 years mobile export ended.